Welcome everyone, and thank you for tuning in to hear my trading and market updates. This is Uncle Frank, and I'm not a financial advisor, nor is any of the content to be construed as financial advice. This channel is for entertainment purposes only. Please remember to hit the like button if you enjoyed the presentation, and be sure to subscribe to the channel so you're alerted when I have new information to share. So now let's get into the latest updates. Hey, welcome back everyone. I wanted to give you a quick update on Saturday evening. I just visited the AMC South Barrington 24 campus. It was very busy, and I now have a theory on why Adam Aron was in such a hurry to settle this case by pissing away another $100 million worth of our money. June marks the end of the second quarter, and in my personal opinion, I think AMC is killing it. I also contend any sharp, sustained upward movement in the common stock could ignite a short covering event, the last thing that Adam Aron wants. I think they're out of ammunition, and they really wanted to convert APE, dilute massively, and then split the stock before word gets out on how strong this second quarter could be. Let's start with The Little Mermaid headlines, which is still in the theaters. From Collider, The Little Mermaid box office soars to impressive worldwide totals. The Little Mermaid global box office to pass animated original. Now, Spider-Man is tearing it up as we speak. From Deadline, Spider-Man Across the Spider-Verse posts best opening day of 2023 to date, with 51 plus million, 3-day now at 113 million. And from MovieWeb, Spider-Man Across the Spider-Verse sets record-breaking opening for Sony, and there's more. Now, both available popcorn buckets were sold out Friday at the AMC Barrington and were not restocked on Saturday. And on the merchandise website, the black one on the left is out of stock, already sold out. Now, I don't know if you guys are aware, but we have one hell of a lineup in movies for the rest of June, including Transformers: Rise of the Beasts. Now, that's scheduled to be released on June 9th, but there will be an early access showing on June 7th. For those of you that don't have an AMC location near you, I thought you might like to see this Transformers lobby display in the foyer of the AMC South Barrington in Illinois. Now, to make matters worse for the hedgies, The Flash will be released in the United States on June 16th, following multiple delays caused by the director changes, the COVID-19 pandemic, and post-production setbacks. Also on June 16th, the Disney Pixar film Elemental will be released in theaters only. And how about this film to end the second quarter with? Indiana Jones and the Dial of Destiny, which drops on June 30th. Did you know an early domestic box office prediction claims that this Indiana Jones will outperform Ant-Man and the Wasp? That means in excess of 473 million worldwide. Hey, I'd like to take the time to thank At Stock Retail for posting this. This is something we should celebrate. Highest opening day of the year, 52 million, goes to Across the Spider-Verse, and opening day bigger than the entire opening weekend of Into the Spider-Verse. That is great news, and we are having one hell of a second quarter. And now, what should we do if you didn't get the postcard? Well, you guys know me. I've been around over 2.5 years. I have OG shares, both AMC and APE. I received no postcard from any of my accounts. My wife does have an account, an old one from Robinhood. She got a card, but I did not. So I went to the Delaware Court's Judicial Branch website, Court of Chancery, and this is the next step. Here's the instructions. Under Information in Services on the web page, it reads, for information regarding Civil Action Number 2023-0215-MTZ, in regards to AMC Entertainment Holdings Incorporated stockholder litigation, please contact 302-255-2000. If you have not received a postcard and believe you should have, or if you have questions regarding the submission of an objection, contact Plaintiff's Counsel by emailing AMC Settlement Objections at, it looks like blbglaw.com, or go to the AMC Investor Relations website for more information. What I'm going to do is I'm going to send an email to that link, and I'm also going to send proof that I am entitled to get a postcard because I am a shareholder of record. And I'm also going to make sure that I blot out any information that could identify my account. And I would suggest you do the same if you haven't received a postcard yet. This article slipped by me, and I wanted to bring it to your attention. It appeared in Business Insider, and it's titled, Cash-Strapped Treasury Department Sells One-Day Bills for the first time since 2007. This is our government. This isn't some banana republic in South America. This is the United States Treasury. I want you to know from the article, the Treasury auctioned $15 billion in one-day cash management bills on Friday. They actually did this. This marks the first time since 2007 that the government sold such short-term debt. The Treasury's cash balance hit $48.5 billion on Wednesday. The Treasury auctioned $15 billion in one-day cash management bills on Friday as its cash balance remains under pressure. The bills, which carry a 5.145% investment rate, will be issued on Monday and mature on Tuesday, according to the Treasury. Bids totaling $61.6 billion were tendered. This is the first time since 2007 that one-day bills were auctioned, according to CNN. The auction comes as the Senate passed a debt limit deal late Thursday, with President Biden expected to sign it on Friday, and he did. He signed it on Saturday. This will avert a default with just days to spare, as the Treasury Secretary Janet Yellen has said the government was set to run out of cash on Monday without a deal. Leading up to the debt deal, the Treasury has been scrambling to find cash to pay the government's bills on time. I don't know what to say. I'll just leave it there. Hey, I want to thank you for watching, and please remember to hit the like button after this slide if you enjoyed the presentation. Subscribe to the channel and set the alert so you're notified when I have new information to share. See you at the bell.